This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use credit cards for bill payments. First, identify which of your recurring bills, like utilities or streaming services, accept credit card payments. This method can be a smart way to earn rewards or cash back on expenses you already have. It also helps build a strong credit history, which is valuable for future financial goals. Just be sure to check for any processing fees that might apply to certain bill types. Setting up your bill payments is straightforward. Most billers, from your internet provider to your gym membership, offer an online portal where you can securely add your credit card details. Alternatively, some credit card companies provide their own bill payment services, allowing you to manage multiple bills from one place. Always double-check that the payment is processed correctly and on time to avoid late fees. To use your credit card wisely for bills, always aim to pay your entire balance in full each month. This prevents you from incurring any interest charges, which can quickly negate any rewards you earn. Regularly review your credit card statements for accuracy and to spot any fraudulent activity. Setting up automatic payments or reminders can help ensure you never miss a due date, protecting your credit score. To truly maximize the benefits, select a credit card that offers bonus rewards on the types of bills you pay most often, such as utilities or groceries. Many cards also offer generous sign-up bonuses, which you can often achieve by directing your regular bill payments through the card. Whether it's cash back, travel points, or other perks, make sure you redeem your rewards strategically to get the most value from your spending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.